गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास। लास्ट वीक वी लर्नड व्हाट अ सिमिली इज़। हमने पिछले हफ्ते सिमिली क्या होता है ये सीखा। सिमिली में हम कोई दो चीज़ों में कंपैरिजन करते हैं जो सेम नहीं रहते, जैसे कि अ गर्ल एंड अ सनफ्लावर। गर्ल्स और सनफ्लावर सेम चीज़ नहीं रहते, पर अगर हमने कंपेयर किया तो थोड़े थोड़े सिमिलैरिटीज़ हम देख सकते हैं। ऑलराइट, ये सिमिलैरिटी दिखाने के लिए वी यूज़ कीवर्ड्स लाइक and as. For an example, Surya is, we're going to write now, as dash as a sunflower. Okay, what am I comparing? Surya, a girl, and a sunflower, which is a flower. How am I going to do that? I use the words as dash as, and in dash what am I going to find? The similarity. So सूर्या और sunflower दोनों में क्या similarity है, क्या same है इन दोनों में, ये हम इस blank में लिखेंगे. So I am going to write as bright. Right? So that's one kind of simile. Another kind would be Surya is dash like a sunflower. What do I have over here? Surya is there. Yeah, that's the one object. Sunflower is there. The other thing that we're comparing. We have the word like. So I am going to use is dash like. This is our second kind of simile. Surya is what like a sunflower? In the previous example, what did we see? Surya is bright like a sunflower. Okay, these are our two kinds of simile. As dash as and dash like. In the dash we will be filling adjectives, which we already know what they are. Adjectives are describing words. For example, Meera Didi is wearing a blue shirt. Let's say Nakul Bhaiya is a tall person. Yeah, words like that are describing words. They are adjectives which we fill in these blanks when we are trying to show that in two things this is the similarity. दो चीज़ों में क्या similarity है ये हम adjectives के through दिखा सकते हैं, और ये adjectives हम simile के format में डालते हैं. Alright, that was your quick recap of what a simile is. One way in which we can understand what a simile is trying to tell us is to make Venn diagrams. हम Venn diagrams के through समझ सकते हैं कि simile में हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है. For example, let's take two example sentences. That shirt is as blue as the sea. मैं कौन सी दो चीज़ें कंपेयर कर रही हूँ? Shirt and sea. Okay? How am I comparing? I am using the simile format. As blue as. तो इन दोनों में हमें कौन सा similarity दिख रहा है? There is shirt, there is sea. शर्ट और सी दो completely different चीज़ें हैं. उन दोनों में normally हम कुछ सेम नहीं देखेंगे, पर शर्ट भी ब्लू है, सी भी ब्लू है, तो हम ये सिमिलैरिटी देख सकते हैं. द शर्ट इज एज ब्लू एज द सी. यही सेंटेंस हम लाइक के फॉर्मेट में भी लिख सकते हैं. हर शर्ट इज blue like the sea. Where did I use the keyword? It is dash like the sea. It is blue like the sea. तो shirt यहाँ पे है, sea यहाँ पे है, shirt sea इन दोनों में सिमिलैरिटी क्या है? दोनों ब्लू है. So blue like the sea. I'm going to put the adjective over here. Cool? Okay, so now that you know what a simile is, how to make a simile, and how to explain a simile. What a simile is a comparison. How to make a simile is you use as or like and say as dash as or dash like this. These are your two formats. And how to explain a simile is in the Venn diagram. Now we are going to find similes in a poem. I want you to read the poem Flint that is there in your project book, and you will find out which of the sentences, which of the lines have similes in them. If you want to find a simile, you will look for, this is your little magnifying glass, you are going to look for like, that is one keyword, or you will look for as, that is another keyword. Okay, you are going to find all of the similes that are there in the poem Flint. हम कैसे ढूंढेंगे? अगर उस लाइन में as, जैसे कि as dash as है, तो फिर वहाँ पे simile है. और if the line has like, for example dash like whatever, that is also a simile. So you will find which comparisons are being made and you will list them. How are we going to list them? You will see in the questions in your project book. There are a bunch of questions based on the poem. The name of the poem is Flint. You will read that poem. You will find the simile. Okay? You will answer the questions and then you will explain the simile. That is today's task packet.